Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have never seen me before, my name is Candice, and if you are familiar with who I am, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a brand call, and so I wanted to take you guys along with me as I just did my makeup and show you guys all of Bloodline Beauty's new products. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned, girl. So I have a call in 40 minutes, but I wanted to use my Bloodline Beauty products, you know, just like the brow pencil that she sent over, her beauty blender, as well as her lashes. So I've used her Sage Way lashes in several posts and they just look really good. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you should be familiar with Fame Lash. So you guys know I loved my Fame lashes, right? So this is the owner of Fame Lashes, and basically she just decided to rebrand everything and completely change the look and feel. So formerly known as Fame Lash, it's now Bloodline Beauty. So yes, these are the Sage Way lashes I normally wear, but I'm not gonna wear those today. I'm gonna wear a different pair by her, but yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna be using her beauty blender to apply my foundation. Oh, and her glosses. I ordered a gloss from her this week and she was kind enough to send over all of her glosses. So I want to share that with you guys. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be moving quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do my primer for my pores. Sorry if I'm gonna be moving fast. It's just that I don't want to be late for my call. And immediately, I am loving the blender. It applies the product beautifully. OMG. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that difference. Oh my gosh, it did such a good job on applying the foundation. Oh my gosh, I love how it applies the foundation. This is really good. I'm loving how it applies the concealer too. So I'm just gonna blend the contour out just a little bit with the brush and then go back in with the blender to let that do the rest of the work. Let's see how it does. And it's just softening up those lines and blending it out a lot better. See how much better it looks compared to this side? It just really just meshes everything together beautifully. Look at that. You really can't pinpoint where the contour begins and ends. It just blends seamlessly, which I love. And I'm gonna add a little bit of brightness to my under eye by going in with just a slightly lighter concealer. So you guys, I opened my website back up today and my first client is tomorrow. So I don't have on my nails. My site hadn't been open in over a year. So now that my site is back open, I was gonna say you guys are not gonna be seeing the claws as much anymore. You guys know I love my fake nails. Not that I can't do makeup in them. Of course I can do makeup with nails on. It's just more of a time sort of thing. You know, I just finish the beats faster when I don't have on claws. But yeah, you guys, I am so excited to be back because I love doing makeup. Obviously I love doing makeup on other people. You guys love when I do makeup on other people. You know, those are my most popular videos on my channel. So I just feel really good. I feel like I'm just vibrating on a different frequency almost. Like I just feel so, I'm literally doing what I love. I get to make videos for you guys. I get to make other people even more beautiful than they already are. I still get to work with brands and like, I'm literally doing everything I wanted to do. There was a point in time where I was just making videos, but I really wasn't working with brands like that. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna give the makeup thing a rest and just solely focus on, you know, like my YouTube channel and getting that together so that way I can build better connections with brands. Oh, this is her brow pencil, by the way. I've used her brow pencil before. This is just you all's first time seeing me use it, but I'm gonna insert some pictures of who I've used it on, and it's a great brow pencil. But how I like to do it is I like to apply mascara through the brows first, and I kind of start in the middle, work my way back. You guys have seen me do this technique, but then I work my way towards the front. And so you see that it just gives the brows a tint of color. It helps, you know, give them more of a shape, if you will. And the key is that you have to wait until the mascara dries on the brows. So that way when you go in with the pencil, it's not like smearing around. But this is how I like to do it. And I call this technique my snatchural brows, because they're snatched, but you know, they're natural looking. If you try this technique and you feel like you put on too much mascara, just take a spoolie, a clean spoolie, and just go through, just brush them up and out on each side, and that'll help blend the mascara in a bit more, disperse the product, and make it not as intense. And then I'm gonna go in with her brow pencil and just lightly line it. Boom, it's lined, and then you can go through and just kind of apply the product as needed. Oh, so yeah, so like I was saying, I just felt like I wanted to take some time off from freelancing so I could focus more on my YouTube channel and focus more on, you know, building those relationships with brands. Then COVID happened, and it was just like, oh my gosh, it forced me to shut down my business. And it was just like God's plan, really. You know, that was just my moment to really do what I had been wanting to do. And so that's what I did. And I just felt like I really accomplished that, you know, working with Dollar General and Kiss Products and Google and, you know, all these cool brands. Basically, I was just like, okay, I did what I set out to do. I feel like I did it. So it's time for me to like open back up. And now I'm entering a new phase of like, what is life going to be like for me juggling clients full time and brands full time? Like, what is my life going to look like? But I think I can do it. I've already started trying to make like certain changes to my life to help ensure that I can do it. So I just signed up for Every Plate this week, and the first package just came today, and I did unbox it on my story, so I'll go ahead and insert that now. Ooh, these look good. These are some good brows. Ooh, and we're gonna snatch my nose. I wanna see how it's gonna do with this. Perfect. I'm gonna just do some really quick, simple eyeshadow because I have 13 minutes until my call. I need to hurry it up. Oh my gosh, my call starts in 8 minutes. But it's okay. Whatever I don't finish, I will come back after my call to finish. So I did the wing slightly longer than I wanted to, but it's okay. I don't have time to fix it. 6 minutes to my call. I'm gonna do my lips. So there was one gloss I told you I ordered a gloss from her and she was so nice to send me the rest. But the one that I'm looking for, oh, I don't know which one it is. No, look at her cute little packaging though. I'm so glad I'm like matching the vibes of her packaging. Warrior Spirit, I think it's called. Yes. So this is Warrior Spirit, and this, I'm like, the moment I saw this, I'm like, I need it. Ooh, look at that. Oh. I knew I was gonna love this. I mean, for me, I literally told her it was love at first sight. Like, look, I can't. I literally can't. Let me do my highlight. So this gloss can really, you know, get popping, you know. You see how the highlight just really see, the highlight just made this pop, honey. I knew it would. OMG, like, ugh, this isn't even fair how beautiful this is. Let me put some here. Okay, you guys, I have to step away for a second to just jump on this brand call, but I will be back so we can do these lashes and we can swatch these glosses too.
Hey Candice, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
When we first had that first thing, they're like, we want Candice to be the face of so they really do love you.
Okay, so my call is over, so we are back to this gloriousness. These are her other two lashes. I think I want to go with these today. You can slide it out. This is what these look like. Very pretty. I'm gonna try it on. I do need to trim it, but I at least want you guys to at least get an idea of like what the style looks like, because it's cute, girl. Super cute. I know. I love it. So let me go ahead and measure this and get my glue, put these lashes on, and then we'll do the lip swatches with all of her glosses. Lashes are on and they look amazing. Okay, literally top tier. So I'm gonna go ahead and be a good sport and do a quick try on with all the glosses for y'all. This is in no particular order. This is Rock Your Mocks. This is what it looks like swatched. It's a dark brown. It's a cute brown. Ooh. I was not expecting to like Rock Your Mocks this much. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I think what makes her glosses so amazing is that they are so pigmented, okay? Like you can literally wear these by themselves because they're rich enough, they have enough color payoff to wear alone. You don't necessarily need a lipstick underneath it to boost the pigmentation of that gloss color. Like it carries itself. I love it. So yeah, that is Rock Your Mocks. All right, next we have Woman Chief. That's Woman Chief. Oh my god, I love how I am loving each and every one of these. Oh yes, honey. This is a vibe, okay? I love this. Super cute. So yes, this is Woman Chief. All right, next we have Indigenous Nations. Just from the swatch, this has a lot of color payoff. Oh my gosh, this is a gorgeous deep brown. Like, are you kidding? This is making me feel so sexy. I think what I love the most about it is when I visited the site, this is not a shade that I would have picked for myself, but I love it so much and it's so pretty and I can't wait to wear this. Like, this is just bomb. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is Indigenous Nations. This is Grand Entry. How cute. So Grand Entry is just like a cute nudie orange type of vibe. I like this. So cute. So yes, this is Grand Entry. This is Native America. Ooh, so this is more like a sheer type of vibe. So this will be like a really good topper gloss for your lip, or you can wear it alone if you're going for more of just like a daytime light beat type vibe. This is good for that too. So this is Native America. All right, this is the Beauty Way. Ooh, so this is giving me really similar vibes. It's reminding me a lot of this one, but when I look at it, I can see that this one is more orangey as to where this one is more peachy, if that makes sense. But both super pretty. And this is the Beauty Way. Okay, and then last but not least, my favorite, the one that I fell in love with at first sight, Warrior Spirit. Now this time I am going to try it on without any lipstick underneath. I'm going to try it on just plain Jane. Okay. Now I do feel like wearing it alone, it's giving me like if you're not careful, it could give you like those kind of vibes, you know? So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more liner just to tone it down just a little, bring a bit more balance to it. Yes, honey. I love this one. It just gives me drama, and I feel like if you are doing a look like how I did today, where like the lid is lighter than the rest of your eye and you're doing either like a white liner or in my case, nude liner, it really just helps, especially if you're doing like a cute little highlight too. This lip really helps bridge all of that together. So I love this shade. I'm so happy like she has this. This is like an instant favorite of mine. And yeah, you guys, this is Warrior Spirit. And here is a final look at all the swatches. This is it for the Bloodline Beauty. I love the sponge. The sponge did its thing, honey. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, just kind of introducing you to Bloodline Beauty, formerly known as Lash. This rebrand feels more personal. I feel like it's more of like a representation of her, which I think is really nice. And I think that's really important when it comes to branding. I love her sponge. Her sponge blended my foundation out wonderfully. I love it. Her brow pencil, of course. She does have different shades for the brow pencils, so I think that's really great. And I love the way my brows look. They definitely are natural, okay? Her lashes, she does such an amazing job. Like, I don't know who her vendor is, but I love these lashes. These are bomb. Her glosses, beautiful. I'm such a fan of Warrior Spirit. This is definitely my favorite one. I really liked the brownie ones too. Like, those were really good too. Her lashes are $12. For this month, you can use code VDAY to save 15% on your order. Her brow pencils are $7.50, which I think is an amazing price point for a brow pencil, because the cheapest brow pencil I've found on the market so far that I absolutely love is my NYX brow pencil, which is $10. So I think $7.50 is an amazing price point for a brow pencil, a quality brow pencil, especially one that's shaped exactly like Anastasia Beverly Hills NYX micro brow pencil. So I mean, hello, $7.50 is a steal. Her glosses are $12 each, and then her beauty sponge is $6.50. I think that that's also a great price point for a beauty blender, pretty reasonable. And then not to mention, with the code VDAY, you'll be saving 15% off all of these items. So I've been using her products for weeks, as far as like the lashes, the brow pencil, and I really am impressed. I mean, these are my favorite. Like, I thought I loved Sageway, but no, honey, these are the ones. These are my jam. Oh, these are TP Love. So these are the TP Love lashes. I just love them. They look so good on me. I love these so much. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I need more of these. Like, these are just too good. But yes, I rest my case. That is my overall like introduction of Bloodline Beauty. You will be seeing me use her products more on my channel now that everything is opened. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was fun getting ready with you guys for my brand meeting. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. Feel free to shop Bloodline Beauty down in the description box below, and I'll see you all in my next video.